donuts out here, everybody. We're going in a circle, Skeet. Whoa, let's see if we got any water. Oh, we got water now, Skeeter. Look, you got water. We like this right here, y'all. Got these little water guns on here. How'd y'all like that?
It was really fun.
Remain fastened throughout the entire race.
They all going fast, but me and Skeeter Bite's going slow, ain't we, baby? We having fun going slow, ain't we, Bubba? Have it, Skeeter Bite. Come on, Skeet. Oh, that daddy does. Left-handed right here. Left-handed. Nothing but net, baby. Oh, you almost did it, Skeeter. We're here at Huck Finn's Catfish.
Huck Finn's Catfish. All you can eat catfish and chicken.
We're gonna see what this is all about. Talk is all over the town. I mean, every ride you get off of. Huck Finn's Catfish, man. Go get you some of that chicken. What?
Me and Sissy don't love fish that much. We do like shrimp, Sissy. They have shrimp, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I love
So we're either gonna get shrimp or chicken.
I'm gonna get catfish.
Yeah.
I'm in a catfish mood.
You gotta get catfish if you go to Huck Finn's Catfish.
Yeah, that would be weird. Everybody
Right.
come in here and get chicken. I mean, that would almost be a sin, wouldn't it?
The kids want to go do that mirror maze, so we don't know if we'll
Yeah.
go do that right after this or what.
Oh, yes. Watch out. This is so
Hop up in there, Skeeter Bat.
They got a nice porch right here.
Yeah, this is nice. It really is.
They got lots of t-shirts. They have a little checkerboard right there to play.
This comes with your meal. So whatever you get, it includes all of this and one choice of French fries, mashed potatoes, or green beans.
Okay. This all comes with the meal.
With whatever you order, yeah.
And
All you can eat of this.
all you can eat is the beans and the hush puppy slaw.
And beans. And pickles and onions.
And then you get whatever you order, and you can have another choice of.
Fries, green beans, or I think he said mashed potatoes. Is that what he said?
Yeah, they call this serving it family style.
Yeah.
Right
Oh yeah,
here.
fries, mashed potatoes, or green beans.
What do you think about the hush puppies?
Catfish.
Yeah, they're delicious. The tea is really good.
Yeah, tea is good, slaw is good, hush puppies, everything so far is good. Anybody tasted a pickle yet? It's good.
honey mustard.
Thank you, ma'am.
It says you want this honey mustard.
Thank you.
You want this honey mustard?
Looks great.
Oh, do y'all have any hot sauce whenever somebody gets a chance?
You want this honey
Texas peanut
mustard?
salad. Thank you.
You want this honey mustard? This honey mustard? You want this honey mustard, sissy?
Yeah, Daddy will give it to her. Here you go, man.
Good, Tyler? He got country fried steak
You
too.
got country fried steak. How you like it, son? Good? Good, Jonah?
Yeah. I bet that's going to be good tartar sauce. I'm just telling you. Here goes Sissy. Here goes the catfish. Dipping in the tartar sauce.
It's really good.
Is it? How about the tartar sauce? Good?
I think you really like it. I do too.
What kind of cookies are those? They don't look like vanilla wafers.
The ones on top are bigger than a vanilla wafer.
Yeah.
I don't know what they are. They're good. I thought it was really good, y'all.
Really
I mean,
good. It was like really good fish house.
this is fish house stuff right here.
And they serve it family style, and y'all, like, you get all you can eat refills on the vittles, they called them, those first sides they brought out.
Like the beans and
Yeah, I would say order, depending on how many kids you have, at least for sure 2 kids could share the kids' plate whatever
Yeah,
you get.
they give you a lot. But what we want to say is, you know you're in the South when they bring out beans with raw onion.
Yes.
You know you down here. There it is. Well, me and Mama go sit over here at this table is what we'll do. Get your gloves on and y'all have a good time. But look, make sure you stay with Tyler in there. That way everybody kind of comes out at the same time, okay?
Okay.
Let's just see. They've been in there for how long do you think now? 10, 15 minutes? 15 maybe?
Probably 15 minutes.
I think it only took us about 15 to go through it, didn't it?
Probably.
Maybe not even 15 minutes. This looks good. Let me just show y'all this real quick. Frizzle Chicken Cafe. Check that out. We're about to fall on 30 minutes that they've been in there.
How was it?
Is there a separate exit?
They said you can go in either way, but you're supposed to come out the way you didn't go in to complete the
How did y'all do? Did you go in one way and come out the other?
No, we came out the entrance 4 times.
Okay, that's what happened to them
didn't-
guys last night.
The only way me and Daddy remembered which way we started is we went back and watched on the video to see which way we went in.
Yeah.
So the entrance and the exit, they're both the same.
They're both, it don't matter, just whichever one you go in,
You gotta come out the other one.
We use these bracelets.
What about these candles right here?
Oh.
Well, they got some weird names, I know, but we definitely wouldn't have this one in our house. I mean,
What?
but what about? I didn't see that. I was seeing that one. I thought you.
Right when I turned around, I was like, what? I'm like, yeah, that one smells pretty good.
Yeah, that does.
Jonah's got birthday cake soda. It tastes kind of like cream soda.
Yeah, it's really good.
What's yours taste like?
Hey, Daddy, you want to try birthday cake?
Oh, we tried it, sour strawberry.
Boom. This is some kind of honey root beer.
Honey root beer, okay. We got this from the Emery 5 and 10, the South's oldest 5 and 10.
You get the root beer
Well,
flavor
yeah.
there, and it's
That's
the
really good.
honey that's kind of giving it the sweetness.
It's really good.
Some of y'all may want to get this for your grandma for Christmas. Too pretty for prison.
We're in Southern Charm right now, and me and Cece found the clearance rack over here. Or what do they call it? Not everything's $9.99, yeah.
You like it, Sissy?
Look at the big ones over there. I was going to touch one.
These are really, really good, y'all. I'll tell you what they're pretty.
Yeah, we got the mango yesterday.
We're getting the kids the cookies and cream, strawberry, and then some other stuff over here. So
Yeah.
these are really good. Look how she does that. So we got 2 of the rolled ice creams and 1 ice cream cone, and we got this much left over.
Yeah,
If I had to tell you anything.
We can't even finish it. Like, one of these is definitely enough for 2 people. When they first start pouring it on there, it does not look like it's going to be that much, does it? And then when they start making them rolls, it's like, okay.
That's a lot of ice cream.
Yeah.
This is the best stop of the trip for me.
Oh, yeah.
Smell of leather. Lisa and Brian, stop by and say hey to us. Yep. Hey, watch our channel.
Can I get this stuff?
We're gonna check the price.
This one's green because you like the pink.
Where's the price?
Last morning,
Until fall.
the end of the zip trip has come.
We go back home, save some more money, and then we come back up here for the leave.
It's actually really cool here. It got cool last night, and it's cool this morning. They had the fire pits going this morning.
It's nice.
There were already people in the pool, but I was like,
Those was penguins.
yeah, it's too cool
They had
out
a
there
little
for the
penguin
pool.
in them.
Yeah, it's just barely, just a little over 70 right now.
We are going to eat some
Mama's Farmhouse.
Mama's Farmhouse.
Mama's Farmhouse. They have breakfast and lunch and dinner, I think, but we're going for breakfast. We've never been here before. We're going here because it said no wait, come on in. So
Well, that's what we like right
Here
there.
we go.
No wait.
I've been there before.
you have?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
In his dreams.
You don't order anything, you automatically get everything on this list.
Oh, okay.
So the only thing that's different is the waffles are by request. So they'll give me however many that's at the table. But if you want more, you can have more.
Okay.
Okay. So the only thing I'm gonna need is your drink order.
Oh,
Okay.
okay. All right.
She said these are pinwheels. What do they taste like, Cece?
Pits.
Right. I think you're supposed to put this on top of them.
Here, let me try one of them.
Yeah.
Let me try it. Put you a little strawberry on it.
Look at these plates, too. It feels like you're eating in Mama's kitchen.
Yeah. Let me see what we got here. They're called pinwheels.
It's really good in the middle.
Really good.
We got biscuits, sausage, bacon, and chicken. Gravy. I guess this is like a hash brown casserole. Chocolate gravy, eggs, and greens. You need oh, you already got a biscuit, Tyler. You need a biscuit, Manny? No, you need a biscuit, Sissy?
I'm sleepy.
Okay, my mama made chocolate gravy when I was a kid. Y'all know Fallon makes this for our biscuits. Let's see what this tastes like. It's a little different.
Yeah.
This is a little different. It's good. It's almost got a pudding taste to it.
Yeah, it kind of looks like pudding.
It still tastes good. It tastes a little bit like pudding. Not exactly like pudding, but I think I mean, there's no thinking about it. I like yours and my mama's better than this, but it's good.
Hash browns? This hash brown casserole tastes exactly like that grandma's hash brown casserole that I made with the cornflakes on top.
Really?
It has the cornflakes on top, yeah. It's great. The gravy, perfect, y'all. That's some perfect gravy right there.
Let's try the grit. I like it. Really good.
This really tastes like grandma's cooking,
Good,
y'all.
yeah.
It's great.
This is what we're gonna be using tonight, everybody. Oscar Mayer.
Yeah.
And my sandwich.
This is not the real thick cut.
Okay.
I don't know if I like the real thick cut. I'd rather have
we
two
like
thin cuts.
2 thins is better than 1 thick. We don't know why.
Why? We don't know why.
It doesn't
we
make
don't
sense.
know why.
When you've been eating all that mountain food, it's good.
Do you want a bologna sandwich when you come
get home.
Do you think we need to toast the bread on the eye for just a second? Put a little butter on there, not make it crunchy, but just put a little cook on it.
Maybe if you want to.
We're gonna put a little cook on this
Yeah.
bread.
I normally don't like my bologna sandwich with a little cook on the bread. I like it just to be soft.
That does not offend me, y'all. After 23 years, she can tell me something like that and it does not offend. We're gonna start out by putting you a little bit of butter.
And I need to put a little bit of butter in here with the bologna.
Now we're gonna pop some bread in this pan here. You wanna make sure you slit it, folks. For anybody out there that has never made a bologna sandwich, it just keeps that bubble from getting like the Star Lab. Everybody knows about the Star Lab in school. If you're from the late 80s, early 90s, you went in the Star Lab. Well, that right there is what will happen to that bologna. It'll just blow up. What me and Fallon do is open up some cheese dip and get us some Tostino's chips. As we're cooking, we'll just come by and get us a little dip on our chip. We're gonna go ahead and taste test these right here for you, everybody. This is peanut butter old-fashioned soda.
We're just gonna taste test them and then we'll let the kids pick which
Yeah.
ones they want.
This is
one's
peanut butter.
You taste any peanut butter?
That ain't even got no peanut butter in it. You're gonna need to get you a spoon of peanut butter and eat with this. And use your imagination, right, Mama? That don't even taste nothing like peanut butter.
What does it even
At
taste
all.
like?
I don't know what that tastes like.
Apple pie. I'm tasting the apple in that now.
That does taste like apple. Let me check this bread right here.
Yeah, that tastes like a sparkling apple cider. Kickapoo Joy Juice. Get that kick.
That's a mellow yellow, is all that is.
Mellow yellow.
That's good. Now, when I used to drink a lot of sodas, mellow yellow was one of my favorites.
That tastes just like mellow yellow, yeah.
Yeah.
Bacon with maple syrup. Oh, that's a strange color.
Now that tastes just like bacon and syrup.
It does.
That really does. Everybody?
Did you put pepper? Oh,
I didn't put pepper. You
That's
want me
okay.
to?
No, that's fine.
Okay.
Ready?
Here we go, y'all.
We'll each take a bite of each one and see which one's the best.
Ready? Here we go. Just like I always remembered it to be.
Now you try the not toasted and I'll try the toasted. Either way it's good, but I think I have to say the toasted is better. It's better.
Put you
Put
some
the cook
cook
on
on
the
that
bread.
bread. The man over at the Country Creamery
Creamery,
in
yes.
Pigeon Forge sold me some of this right here so we can make our orange sickle milkshakes here at
Right.
home in Georgia.
Now he
So-
uses Hershey ice cream. We can't find Hershey ice cream
I've
around
never,
here.
no, I've never seen Hershey's.
Yeah,
ice
so we have Bluebell.
cream. We got Bluebell, so I believe it'll still be pretty similar.
Yeah.
That's a milkshake right there.
Yeah.
Good stuff.